Think gold is just going up because of war, you might be setting yourself for a big mistake. Because right now, gold is caught between two powerful forces, which, whichever wins, could decide whether we see $5,000 or a sharp drop towards 4,300. So stay with me because what's coming next could be the most important move of April 2026. See, if you look at the particular trend, what we have seen, the price of gold is trading around 4749.685 dollars. Okay, as of now, April 2026, gold is trading around 4749.658 dollars, which is between the zone of around 4600 and $5,000, and it is extremely volatile. We have seen there is a quick spike above a level of 4700 and equally fast pullback. This is not a clean trend. This is what we call a battle zone market. The geopolitical tensions we have seen there are rising in the Middle East, while concern around oil supply routes are there and increasing geopolitical instability. Because of the ceasefire we have seen, the price of gold has moved upside. Okay, I'll show you a technical chart also, as well as monthly chart, day wise chart and weekly chart, where you'll understand more briefly how the price of gold is going to move in the next 2 weeks of April 2026. See, normally this could push gold higher because of the war situations, but here is the twist. Gold isn't acting like a perfect safe haven anymore, because when oil prices rises, inflation rises, and the force central banks to hold rates higher for longer, and that's put pressure on gold. Okay, if we talk about the Fed and interest rate, and then I'll tell you how the technicals can work. If you see the Fed and interest rate, there is a part of most traders miss, so pay attention here. Gold does not just move on fear, okay, it moves on interest rate and the US dollars. Right now, Federal Reserve is not rushing to cut the rates. In fact, there is a chance of more hawkish stance and changes everything. Because if you see the interest rate, see the volume has changed here. I'll show you the technical chart which will be more helpful for you to see how the price of gold can move in the next 2 weeks. See, because higher rates strengthen the dollar and the stronger dollar pushes gold lower. So remember this, geopolitical can push gold up while interest rate decide if it stays up or no. Now look at the particular chart. This is a month's chart. This was a flag pattern, you can say, or a narrow pattern, where we have seen the price was continuously moving upside from this level. This is a month chart, so you have to be understand that your quantity, your SL, your target, and your risk for a particular day is or a month is very different compared to what we see in week as well as day wise. Now look at this particular chart. Three things that you have to note here. See, the month is still pending, this particular month, but these three candles are very important here. Previous 3 months candle, if you see the previous month's candle, that is March month candle, you see that the price has made a high of around $54.14 and a low of around 4102 dollars. This is what we have seen in this particular level. So understand there is a huge movement we have seen, because now this is the particular March candle. Okay, 54.14 and 4106. That means almost more than $1,000 movement we have seen. Now, if you see the previous month candle, that is Feb month candle, what we have seen, there is a hammer is forming. Okay, hammer shows that there will be a change in the trend. Okay, but the change should be on the upside. So what we have seen in this particular level, that the price has made a half around 54.30. Okay, 54.30, and then it came down. This is what we have seen. There is a change in the trend. That means it supported this hammer also, that the price will move up, and then we will see there will be a change in the trend. So we have seen the price has touched the level of $4102. Because of the war situation also, this thing has happened. Okay, now if you see, because of the war situation, what happened, the price has moved up and then suddenly moved down, because of there is a probability that the interest rate will increase, oil supply was there, so there was that price that the gold can move upside also and downside also. Which I have already explained you that how the geopolitical and Fed interest rate works. Now, if you see the previous month candle, that is a Jan month candle. Okay, January's month. This is an opposite hammer. Okay, this is an opposite hammer showing that the price can go further upside. See, it sustained that particular level and moved upside. Okay, this is the third Jan month candle showing that the next month can be a probability of upside movement. So we have seen that the Feb month is also forming a hammer, but it is forming a green candle. Now this is already happened. Now if you see, both these candles are forming bullish engulfing, showing that the third candle will be on the green side. So it has made a half around $54.30 and then it came down. Okay, probability was high that it could have made a further upside movement, because we have seen, because of the war situation, the price has come down. Okay, so this is the uncertainty what we have seen in the price of gold in this particular candle. Otherwise there was a higher chances we could have seen an upside. Now this particular month, which is already 2 weeks are over, the price is moving the, like, this is a red candle and this is a green candle. That means there is forming a bearish engulfing. The full month is not still over. So what we can see looking at this particular chart, see, it is very important you to understand how the price is moving. Okay, see, the price is moving in the zone of 5,000 as of now and 4,600. 4,600 is an important level which I'll show you in a smaller time frame. See, now suppose if it started sustaining, but before I explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, the price touching a level of $48.67. Okay, this is the half this zone, and once the price moving up this level, probability is high it will move towards $52.74, which is resistance 2. This is resistance 1, this is resistance 2, and once started going above that level, we will see it will touch a level of resistance 3, that is $54.45, which is resistance 3. Okay, and if that sustain, we will see the price will rise above that level and it will move towards $56.17, which is resistance 4. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can make a further upside movement. So trail your SL by around $20 to $25, which is very important. If the price rises above a level of around 52.58, chances are high it will cross a level of around 54.45, and it can cross a level of around 56.17. So trail your SL by around $15 to $20, so at least you will capture upside movement. But suppose if it started coming down, it can come down towards 45.55, 45.55, which is support 1. And once the price is moving below this level, chances of going towards 45. After 45.55, we will see a level of $43.83, which is support 2. Okay, and once the price falling below that particular level, chances are very high that it will move towards $42, which is support 3. And from there, a further downfall can be seen towards 41.02. So from that particular level, we will see that the price will fall below a level of 41.04, and then from there it will move below $4,000. Chances are very high because we have seen there is a bearish engulfing candle is forming. But for this particular month, there is a higher chances that this candle can move in green. Okay, but the next candle can be a probability it can further fall. For this particular month, we can see that there is a chances that we can see the price can sustain in a green candle. But what you can see that it can come down below this also. Okay, and then it can turn out to be a green, but probability is high that this particular candle can be a chances that it can be a green candle. This is what we can see because of the change in the volume and bearish engulfing candle. Okay, this is what we have seen. Now on looking on a lower time frame, what you can see, if we look at a lower time frame, that means on a week chart, you will see more clearly how the price is moving. See, from 3 weeks there is a continuous fall, and 3 weeks there is a continuous upside. Okay, and this is the pattern it is trying to create. Okay, you can say that these two levels are already tested. It will change in a day wise chart. Understand, you have to be very careful in this. 3 green candles are forming, 3 red candles are forming. Chances was very high that the fourth candle could have been green, but it has supported this particular red candle. See, it has made a low of around $4097, and from there it started upside. because three red candles are forming, so chances was very high that the fourth candle will go further down. And now three green candles are forming, so there is a chance that the fourth candle can also be an upside movement. Monthly chart also showing that it will close in a green candle these 2 weeks. Okay, and then a high can be seen. Understand, as soon as it started going above this level, we will see that it will touch a level of around 48.21, which is an R1, and then we will see that it will touch high of around 48.77, which is R2. And once the price rising above that particular level, chances are high it will touch a level of $49.89. Okay, and if that sustain, we will see the price will go towards a level of $5,086, and if that sustain, we will see a level of 5128. This is what we can see, and if the price moving over this level, we will see that there can be a chances of further upside movement, and chances are, yes, very high it will cross a level of 5267. From there it can move towards 5406, because 5267 is already a weak level. But if it started coming down, it can support towards $4613. And understand, 46 is an important level, which is support one, and once started falling below this level, chance of going towards 4418 will be there, and from there it will move below a level of $40,069, which is support 3. Okay, so trailing your SL is very important by around $15 to $20, so at least you will capture downside movement. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I given the mail ID is also in the description. Understand, see, there is candles are forming, opposite U patterns are forming, and then there is an upside, so chances are high if it started coming down, it can move further down towards 4613, and then a further fall can be seen. But if it keeps sustaining over 4600, we will see there can be a further rise. Coming back on a more lower time frame, where you will understand more clearly how the price is moving. See, it is showing clear opposite U pattern, so understand 4600 is an important level. If the price keep moving below this level, we will see that the price can fall below a level of 4500 and can move below $4418. This is what we can see looking at this chart. Okay, 4600 is a very important level. Okay, but if it keep moving upside, chances are high it will cross 4800 and then move over level of 4871, then upside movement can be seen. But if it started going below that level, chance of going towards 4600, and if that didn't sustain, it will move below a level of around 4544, then to a level of 4488, and then it will cross a level of 4376, because this pattern will support downside. Chances of upside is only till the price is sustaining 4600. Okay, now if you see more of the geopoliticals, I have clearly mentioned you that the price sustaining over 4600, a further upside can be seen. Day wise chart is showing a long term trend. If it started going below, a further downfall. Weekly is showing on the upside if the price sustain again above 4600. Monthly is showing that for this particular month, we can see there can be a green candle form. So we can see that the bottom line is that gold is not in a clean uptrend right now. It is in a manipulation and accumulation phase, which means big players are positioning and retail traders are getting trapped. My expectation is that we can see a volatility and then a decisive breakout can be there. That is a move, and that could be fast. If you don't understand this phase, if you are going to get caught in the wrong move, so watch this again, because when gold breaks out, it won't have give you a